Hi girls, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make rose water for your face at home. So I'm also going to show you how to make a face mist with this rose water, which you can use as a makeup setting spray also. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties which help you remove any kind of redness or irritation in the skin. It also helps you maintain the pH balance. Along with that, rose water is very good cleanser which helps you remove the excess oil and the dirts which get accumulated in your clogged pores. So girls, a must try DIY rose water without any preservative rose water at home. So rose essence is very sweet, spring-like, and is very mildly astringent. So it makes a great skin toner for your pores, which keeps them very clean and clear. So now let me show you how to make this rose water at home. So I'm taking these organic roses and I'm going to break the petals and put them in a pan and wash them properly. Added 2 cups of water and I'll heat it in a high flame till it boils, and then simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes till the petal loses its color. You can see the water started boiling. I'll just simmer it and I will close the lid. You can see all the color is faded away and our rose water is ready. So now you have to just keep it to cool down and then we'll transfer it to a bottle. So you can see how well the color has come out. Your rose water is ready, and now you can transfer it to any glass bottle or any spray bottle. You can strain out all the water. My rose water is ready. You can refrigerate it for 3 months and use it. So to make face mist, you need to add 10 drops of jojoba oil and 3 drops of lemon essential oil. You have to shake the bottle well and your face mist is ready. Okay guys, now that you know how to make it, let me talk about storing it. Since it does not have any preservatives, make it fresh. You can keep it in refrigerator for 15 to 20 days and then make it again fresh. Girls, make sure to take organic and those homegrown roses and not those English beautiful looking roses which we use in making them in bouquets and all of that. Also, I'll show you, I have applied some makeup and how I'll be using it as setting spray. You know, since it has jojoba oil, so it will be giving me a very dewy look and a little very glass look after I put it, and it will help me set my makeup. It is smelling very good. Let it sink in. So you'll see a little very shiny look after it sinks in. It's smelling very beautiful. Yeah, it's smelling very beautiful. So you can see I have a very dewy shiny look on my skin. So you can use it as a setting spray without any preservatives or anything, and it is very good and very refreshing. You can see I have got this shiny skin. So girls, go try it. So rose water is very good for your skin. It will keep you very hydrated. It will maintain your pH balance, and you know, any day when you sprinkle a little rose water to your face, it is very refreshing. So girls, go do make it. So this rose water and face mist will keep your skin very hydrated and will maintain your pH balance in your skin. So you can use it morning, night, and feel very fresh. I showed you how to make your rose water, your face mist, and also a makeup setting spray at home. And if you like my video, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.